What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog crates review. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Single and double door dog crate. Our top pick overall would be the Midwest Homes for Pets crate double door, as well as the double door dog crate, because it is easy to put together, as well as its comprehensive features and clean-up friendly tray. While many of the crates we looked at had clean surfaces, the extra separator in this kit made it stand out from other crates. The crate's plastic tray easily slides out and makes it easy to clean should serious accidents occur. We also love the fact that the crate is equipped with buffers with rubberized rubber to safeguard vinyl, hardwood and tile floors. The crate we received is from Midwest Homes for Pets, passed our tests in our lab with excellent scores for ease of setup and use as well as cleaning. Its simple design isn't going to win many beauty competitions, but is useful. The testers particularly like the double door model that allows users to get into the crate from either the side or front, which is a major boost to the crate's versatility. Our test participant also loved the convenience of this container, as well as its easy to fold and clean up friendly design. She described the setup as straightforward, as easy as lifting from the top, then snapping the hooks back into their place. The removal of the tray was also easy since it had a hole to allow it to be removed from underneath the cage. A hook for security also ensures that the tray remains at its spot when your dog is sitting in the top. Number 2. Folding soft dog travel crate Kennel. Finding the right dog crate that won't cost you a fortune but is functional isn't easy. Our reviewers were extremely pleased with this crate by Amazon Basics, which has an PVC frame that is covered with mesh and polyester covers. This crate features 3 openings, one at each end of the crate and another at the top, which are secured with zippers. The zippers can also be folded up and secured on top. The crate is very light, which makes it an excellent alternative for traveling. However, it does not have a carry handles, and this was a bit disappointing for our test subject. Our tester was amazed by the crate's strength. It didn't move or break even when a sandbag was placed on top and on the side of it. Our test subject was worried about the difficulty it would be to remove dirt from the smaller spaces and crannies that are within the frame. Overall, our test subject scored this crate highly for its strength as well as its easy setup and use. The cost corresponds to the quality of the product, and the crate is also an attractive and robust appearance. Number 3. Diggs Revol Dog Crate. If you're in search of the most luxurious and durable dog crate, we suggest Diggs Revol Dog Crate. The crate will collapse when you turn the handle on top and the sides open up, providing multiple options for accessing your pet. Our tester was extremely impressed by how sturdy the crate is. She estimated that she threw around 45 pounds on the door, and it didn't move. The sandbags she threw on the crate didn't affect its design or structure. Our tester was raving about how much she enjoyed the design's simplicity and overall aesthetic. The tray in this crate can be removed to allow you to easily clean it. It also features a raised edge to keep any water from leaking if accidents do occur when your pet is in the cage. The door of the crate is secured with the release of a latch when you press a button, making it safer than other crates which come with a sliding bolt. Our test subject's main concern was that the crate is not the most compact when collapsed, which means it's unlikely to be placed under specific furniture pieces or in tiny closets. Although the price on this crate is definitely an investment for anyone's budget, our tester stated that she thought the price was fair and is a reflection of this crate's quality and distinctive design. Number 4. NOZ2 NOZ Indoor-Outdoor Pet Home. Soft crates are ideal for anyone who isn't keen on the appearance of wire crates or seeking a crate that is light, that is able to be moved from room space. Our test subjects were impressed with the performance and design of this soft-sided crate by NOZ2 NOZ. It has 3 entry points: the front, the side, the top and the side. So it is able to accommodate any size and age dog. There are 4 crate sizes, so you can pick one that best fits your pet. This crate was able to stand up to our sandbag tests with no obvious evidence of damage or strain in the zipper. The tester was extremely pleased with the crate's extra clips, which ensure that the zipper together to ensure that dogs stay secure inside the cage. Although this crate is light, but our tester complained that she was disappointed that it didn't have the capacity to transport it on top, making it easy to move in an apartment. The crate does not include an interior tray, and the cloth doesn't segregate to the frame, meaning it's not the best choice for dogs and puppies who do not have a house training system. In the end, it nevertheless a good choice for a crate with a soft side, and the price is not to be beat. Number 5. Merry Pet 2-in-1 Pet Crate. There are a variety of crate styles that can be converted from a gate into an enclosure. Our reviewers enjoyed the Merry Pet 2-in-1 configurable pet crate and gate because of its easy-to-use design and the fact that it is suitable for pets of all age groups. This crate isn't difficult to put together, however, it was packed with a lot of pieces, so make certain to keep any tiny pieces from pets while you're assembling it. After the crate was set up, our test subject said that it was simple to change between a crate as well as a gate. Her main concern was the weight of the pins that hold to the top part of the crate, the sides. The pins can easily get taken away or swallowed by a pet or a child, so be sure to store them in a secure location when not being used. When the pick is in crate position, our tester said that the latch was too difficult for dogs to open, however, as an entrance, it could easily be thrown over by an even larger dog. Our test subject suggested this method for dogs with good training or smaller dogs that are unable to smash it. The bottom tray of the crate is a separate piece, which makes it simple to clean and wash off. The body of the crate would be simple to clean when it is expanded to form an entrance. Our test subject loved the function of this design and stated that it was affordable for the quality and design. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.